Thank you for purchasing SG-01-SK, the state-of-the-art ZigBee wireless smoke detector. In this video, you will learn how to mount the detector. Part 2, Mounting the ZigBee smoke detector. Please install the detector as centered as possible. The detector can be mounted in these indoor locations. Avoid installing the detector in these locations. Make sure that the parent device will be within communication range of the detector. After you have determined the installation spot, you can use the plastic hook or the screws to mount the detector on the wall, or you can use the screws to mount the detector on the ceiling. Open the back lid of the detector. Mark the installation date. For the wall mount option with the plastic hook, first firmly install the plastic hook onto the installation spot with its back adhesives. For wall mount option with the screws, rehearse the installation spot on the wall with the back lids up arrow pointing up, then mark the mounting holes. For the ceiling mount option with the screws, rehearse the installation spot on the ceiling with the back lid, then mark the mounting holes. If necessary for the wall mount or ceiling mount option with the screws, drill the screw holes to the marked screw spots, and hammer wall plugs to the drilled screw holes. For the AC powered option, route the power supply cable through the cable management hole of the back lid. And for the next steps of mounting the detector, you will need somebody else to hold the AC adapter for you, or you can temporarily rest the AC adapter in your pocket, or at any nearby secure place. For the wall mount option with the screws, with the back lids up arrow pointing up, secure the back lid onto the wall with the screws. For the ceiling mount option with the screws, secure the back lid onto the ceiling with the screws. Install the battery to the detector, or connect the power connector to the detector. For the wall mount or ceiling mount option with the screws, mount the detector directly onto the back lid. For the wall mount option with the plastic hook, close the back lid of the detector. And mount the detector onto the plastic hook. For the AC powered option, connect and secure the AC adapter to a nearby AC outlet. Press the test button to test the functionality of the detector. Your environment is now safer with the detecting power of ZigBee wireless smoke detector.